Good morning children. Welcome back to our maths class. Do you know what we have discussed in the last class? We were discussed about Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of a triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, here s means half of the perimeter, that is here a, b, c. These three are the three sides of the triangle. So s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Here a, b, c, these are the three sides of the triangle and s equal to half of the perimeter. So a plus b plus c, if these are the three sides of triangle, a plus b plus c means perimeter. Okay, so we have studied what is Heron's formula and we have discussed two problems. Okay, how to apply Heron's formula. And today we are discussing some more questions. First question. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Ratio between the three sides are given. It is ratio between three sides. It is 3:5:7 and perimeter. Perimeter is 300 meter. Here perimeter of the triangle is given and also ratio between the sides. It is 3:5:7. So we can assume that if the ratio between the sides are given, we can assume the sides are, let the sides are 3x, 5x, 7x. Okay, we have a triangle. Ratio between the three sides are given as 3:5:7. Therefore, we can assume that their side will be 3x, 5x and 7x. Okay, so perimeter is 300. Perimeter means sum of the three sides. Okay, so perimeter is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. Okay, and that perimeter is given as 300. So 300 is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. Okay, then 300 is equal to this 3x plus 5x plus 7x. What is it? It is 15x. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7. Here 3x plus 5x plus 7x. We can add these three terms. Then its sum is 15x. That is 15x equal to 300. Then x is 300 divided by 15, which is equal to 20. Therefore, x equal to 20. From this, we will get 3x, 5x and 7x. Listen, x equal to 20. Therefore, 3x equal to 3 into 20, that is 60. And 5x equal to 5 into 20, that is 100. Then 7x is equal to 7 into 20, which is 140. X means 100 t, and 5x means 100, 7x means 140. These are the three sides of the triangle. Okay, now we have the three sides of the triangle. Using the measure of these three sides, we can find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Okay, listen here, the three sides are 60, 100, 140. Suppose we can take A equal to 60, B equal to 100 and C equal to 140. And we need to get S. S means A plus B plus C by 2. That is 60 plus 100 plus 140 by 2. Okay, which is equal to 300. 60 plus 100, 160. 160 plus 140, it is 300 by 2, which is equal to 150. So now we got 150. And our formula is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now our S is 150. Then we need to get S minus A. Then what will be S minus A? 150 minus 60, which is 90. Then S minus B. That is 150 minus 100, which is equal to 50. Then S minus C is equal to 150 minus 140, which is 10. We can substitute these values, that is S minus A is 90, S minus B is 50, S minus C is 10. We can substitute these values in the formula. Okay, that is area equal to root of S is 150, then S minus A is 90 and S minus B is 50 and S minus C is 10. Then we need to simplify this one. Okay, then how can we simplify? We can write this 150 as 10 into 15. Okay, and this 90 we can written as 10 into 9. And this 50 means 5 into 10 and one more 10. Okay, then from root of this 10 into 15 into 10, that means we can take this 10 into 10 together. Root of 10 into 10. What is root of 10 into 10? Root of 10 into 10 means root of 100. What is the square root of 100? It is 10. So we can take the square root of this 10 into 10. It is 10. Okay. Then square root of, what is balance here? 15 into 9 into 5 into 10 into 10. We can take the square root of this 10 into 10 also. What is it again? 10. So 10 into 10 root of 15 into 9 into 5. Clear? Then 10 into 10, it is 100 into, here root 9. Inside the root there is a 9. What is root 9? It is 3. Okay, so that 3 also we can write here. Then 15 into 5. 100 into 3, it is 300 into, here 15 means 3 into 5 and this 5. Then root of 5 into 5. What is root of 5 into 5? It is 5. Then that become 300 into 5 into root 3. 300 into 5 is 1500 root 3. Therefore, area of the triangle will be 1500 root 3. We can discuss our second question. That is from exercise 12.1, sixth question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Here perimeter of the isosceles triangle. Perimeter is 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides. We know an isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. Suppose this is isosceles triangle ABC and these are the two equal sides. Each of the equal sides 12 centimeter. Then these two sides will be 12 centimeter and we don't know the third side. Okay, perimeter is given as 30 centimeter and length of the equal sides it is 12 centimeter, but we don't know the third side. To apply Heron's formula, we need length of three sides. But here length of the side is not given. So first we have to find length of the side, length of the third side. Okay, perimeter is 30 centimeter. Using this perimeter and these two sides, we can find length of the third side. That is perimeter equal to, perimeter is equal to sum of three sides, that is 12 plus 12 plus. We can take this unknown side as x. Okay, and perimeter is 30 centimeter. Therefore, 30 centimeter is equal to 12 plus 12 plus x. That is 24 plus x. Then we need to get x. That is 30 minus 24 equal to x. X equal to 6. That means the third side, it is x. Now we have the length of three sides. Then we can apply the Heron's formula directly. Then area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And here s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. That is 12 plus 6 by 2. Okay, that is it is not 12, 2. Then 12 plus 6 by 2. Then it is 30 by 2, which is 15. Okay, next we need to get s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S is 15, 15 minus 12, it is 3. Then 15 minus 12 again, it is also 3. And 15 minus 6, it is 9. Okay, then a equal to root of s is 15 into s minus a is 3 into s minus b also 3 into 9, which is equal to This 3 into 3 is, root of 3 into 3 is 3, and root 9 is root of 3 into 3, that is root 9, it is 3, and root 9 also equal to 3. Therefore we can take it as 3 and this root 9 also 3, therefore root 15, which means 9 root 15. This is the area of the isosceles triangle. Okay. So you have to practice this question and you have to write these 2 questions and answers in your notebook. Practice this question very well. That's all for today. Thank you.